Welcome! Today, we'll guide you through opening a U.S. bank account online, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're a traveler, an entrepreneur, or just need a secure banking option, this video is for you. Let's break down the process into simple steps to help you smoothly navigate opening your account. Remember, it's important to choose a bank that meets your needs, including fees and features. Stay tuned as we dive deep into each step. Let's get started. Research different U.S. banks that offer online accounts to non-residents. Look for banks with low fees, good customer service, and user-friendly interfaces. Make a list of potential banks that suit your specific needs. Consider banks that provide online applications in English for convenience. Take your time to compare features, ensuring the bank fits your lifestyle. Prepare necessary documentation, including a valid ID and proof of address. Ensure your identification is valid and accepted by the chosen bank. If applicable, get an IRS W-8 form, which may be necessary for non-residents. Double-check all documents for accuracy before submission. Gather all documentation and be ready to upload online during the application process. Visit the bank's website and locate the online account application section. Fill out the online form with the required information carefully. Attach the required documents as prompted during the application. Review your application for any errors before submission. Finally, submit your application and await confirmation from the bank. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your bank account. You may need to set up online banking details, such as passwords and security questions. Once activated, you can access your account online from anywhere in the world. Congratulations! You've successfully opened a U.S. bank account online.